Good morning, class. For some reason, my video is not working today, but here are your assignments for Friday. You have one less today than you did yesterday, and let's go ahead and get started going through them. You have Prodigy again today, so you are really going through and working on that multiplication. If you're getting into 3 digits times 1 digit and 4 digits times 1 digit, that's fine. If you click on like the help button, Prodigy does give you step-by-step instructions on how to do that. Your 3 by 1 and 2 by 1, or hundreds times ones and thousands times ones multiplication, is very similar to your tens times ones, which we have already learned, and you guys already passed your test on. The majority of the class got A's on it. And so just take a look at that help and those helping instructions, and just notice that the more zeros that you have as you break down your numbers by place value, that's the more zeros that you have in your answer. And we will get more into that in class next week. So yesterday you should have read your newspaper, or you should have gone to Studies Weekly Week 12 online and done the learning articles and videos and questions there. Your job today is to go and take a quiz on what you learned. It is an open book quiz, so you can use your newspaper. And you can also use, or if you are online, you can have 2 windows open and go back and forth between Studies Weekly and this quiz. So when you finish all these questions, just go ahead and click submit. This is just showing me that you did, in fact, read that newspaper or go through the online articles, which they both are the same. And then those are the only 2 things that I have for you outside of regular reading today. So you either have Imagine Learning, Imagine Reading, or that's for English, and maybe read a book in Spanish or read a book in English. I know I forgot to send out reading logs. I had to leave early on Tuesday, but please just write a summary on a piece of paper and bring it in next week. So summary is just like a main idea of what you read about in about 3 to 4 sentences. And in Spanish, you should be doing either Imagine Español or RAS Kids, or reading a book in Spanish. It's the same for you. If you didn't get, if you don't have an extra reading log in your binder, just write me a summary of what you read about, or un resumen de lo que leíste, como 3 o 4 oraciones con la idea principal y algunas ideas claves de lo que leíste, o un resumen de qué pasó con los personajes y qué está pasando en la historia, dependiendo si es ficción o no ficción. So that's it for today. I hope you guys have a great Friday and a good weekend, and I will see you on Monday. Bye.